And this video, we're going to talk about why adult daycare is so desperately needed, especially in this work from home world we're entering. But first, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, show a little bit of love. If you work from home, you can still like, comment, subscribe, or not. But it would be better if you did. It would make me happier. Make me happy. See? Thank you. All right, guys. My name is Chris Chan, the founder and CEO of Active Age Daytime Senior Care. I want to paint a picture for you real quick. Can you imagine? Okay, you're an adult child and you're taking care of your mom or your dad. And you get up for the day and you are currently working from home because you had the luxury, the option that with your company that you could work from home, because today, in this world today, 60% of Americans are currently working from home. 60%. So this could be you, where you got up today, you made yourself breakfast, and then you walked 10 or 15 steps down the hall and went into your office, okay? And you thought you were gonna have a productive day. But all of a sudden, your mom or your dad, who you're caring for, is knocking on your door. And you're like just about to sit down to start your productive day, and all of a sudden mom needs help. And she's got a question for you. And then 5 minutes later, she's got another question for you. And she keeps knocking on your door, and she can't leave you alone because she needs your help. Okay? And then all of a sudden, you walk out into the room and you see a fire. like your kitchen is on fire and you're like, Mom, what did you do? She's like, I'm hungry. I wanted a peanut butter and jelly. And you're like, Mom, why did you cook a peanut butter and jelly on the stove? And anyways, I know this is a little dramatic and this is not exactly how it's gonna go down, but the reality of it is can you imagine trying to work from home in a situation like that? Like, how much anxiety would you have, right? Or imagine yourself as a spouse, okay? Or as an individual taking care of your spouse, taking care of your husband, okay? Can you, and here's the thing, we're entering an era where the former period of time of our senior population having pensions and having certain retirement, options where they didn't have to work is kind of slowly dwindling. So we're entering a period of time where people are going to have to continue working, even if it's just part-time, okay? So you might all of a sudden find yourself in a situation where you're taking care of your spouse, your husband. Well, you've been taking care of him for 40 freaking years, okay? But now, all of a sudden, he needs a little extra help because he has early onset dementia or Alzheimer's or Parkinson's, okay? And so you're continuing to work maybe part-time, 2 days a week from home, and maybe you go into the office 1 day a week or something like that, okay? But all of a sudden, your husband, who never showed you any attention for 40 years, now he cannot leave your side. He literally follows you around the house. You can't even go to the restroom without your husband following you around the house, right? But you are trying to work from home and have this productive part-time job, but you can't even do it. You can't get the break you need. And this is why adult daycare is going to be so incredibly important for scenarios like these. Because whether it's a spouse who just needs to run errands or needs to work part-time, or whether it's adult children who are trying to work from home, this entire era that we're moving into, this new era where we're having an increasing number of people who are working from home, okay? This is going to cause a massive need for adult daycare, because this will be the first time that people will be able to bring their loved ones, or they could be picked up depending on how the adult daycare operates, and their loved ones could be in a safe, supervised environment where they know they're happy, they know they're having a good time, and they can literally work from home guilt-free and in the peace and quiet of a house with no one in it. So because their loved one is at the center for the day, their loved one is enjoying themselves, they're able to work and actually work in a productive environment without the distractions of their loved one. And I think this is going to be a massive, massive revolutionary solution for families who are working from home. And if we are talking about 60% of the population working from home today, what is that going to look like in 5 years? What is that going to look like in 10 years? As more and more companies make it even so that people can work from home part-time. This trend is going to continue to increase. We're going to see more and more of this. We're going to see more and more people relocating to different areas because they'll have the flexibility to work for a company across the country and in the comfort of their own home. But they're also going to be facing a period of time where their loved one, their mom, their dad, or their spouse is now suddenly needing care. And so you're going to have this kind of a converging event where more people are working from home than ever before, and more people are going to be in need of care than ever before. And the one solution that is going to be there to be the solution for these families is going to be adult daycare. And that is why I truly believe over the next 20 years, we're gonna see the largest growth in adult daycare that we've ever seen. And it's gonna be because of scenarios like this. It is going to solve the remote working problem, especially for those 1 out of every 5 people who are taking care of a loved one. And so I know that this is just the beginning stages, but if you're interested in learning more about opening up your own adult daycare, make sure you go to adcpro.com, sign up for our monthly webinars, sign up for our private Facebook group, make sure you check out all of our YouTube videos. And if you want to learn any more about our franchise opportunities, of course, reach out to me. You go to activeagecare.com/franchise. This is all I got for this one. We will see you on the next one. Now, I got to get back to work. See ya. Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you'd like to learn how to open your own adult daycare center, go to adcpro.com. If you'd like the latest business tips, click here, and make sure you subscribe to our channel. Click here. We'll see you guys next time.